Good morning, students. Welcome to computer science class. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2 on Introduction to Windows 7. What we will cover in this chapter today, we will study desktop and its parts of Windows 7 operating system, its icons, and we will also study about taskbar. Now student, if you might have gone through my previous lecture videos, I have talked about that computer system is made up of two things. First one, Windows hardware part, and the second one is software part. Then we studied about what is a software and how many types of software were there, system software and application software. Now, operating system is an example of system software that I have already told you in your first chapter. See, I told you about different type of operating system are there, and what operating system does, it makes computer hardware work. It manages all the computer parts together to make it work for us. So today we will study one such operating system, which is a very popular operating system known as Windows 7, which is the name of your chapter number 2. So what is an operating system? Once again I will read it for you. The operating system is a part of the system software that runs the computer. It manages all the input, process and output tasks. This I have already told you in your previous class. There are different type of operating system also. As I told you, Macintosh operating system, Android operating system, Linux, Unix. There are several type of operating system which we can make that computer hardware work. Different operating system has different type of functions. So we will study Windows 7 today, and we will know it its part. Now what is desktop and parts? Now whatever you see on the screen of Windows 7 operating system, that screen we call as desktop. You see this picture which is showing in the screen? This is Windows 7 logo. There are few icons on top left corner of the screen. It's nothing but a type of pictures that perform few specific functions. The bottom part of this Windows desktop screen is called taskbar. This particular area is called taskbar. On the right hand side of the taskbar we have navigation bar, or area of the navigation bar, where we have different type of icons. And you are already familiar with the start button, which is a round shaped button with a Windows 7 logo. I am going to show you this screen in the coming slide. Let's move on to the next slide. So what are icons? The desktop has same small symbols or pictures with names. You see that? These are called icons. A desktop picture with the name shown below. So there are three type of main icon, which is computer icon, the first icon through which you can open different drives, files. The second one is network icon with a monitor, and at the back is globe, which shows how different type of computers are connected with this network icon. The third one is recycle bin, which looks like a dustbin or a basket where you delete all the computer files, and it's stored in this particular bin area. Let's move on to the next topic, which is taskbar. As I showed you, this particular area is called taskbar. Now what a taskbar does, At the start button on the desktop, you can see horizontal bar. This bar is called taskbar. Taskbar has different sections. The left hand of the taskbar has start button. See, this bottom part of the taskbar area is called taskbar. On left hand side of the taskbar, it is start button, and on right side of the taskbar is navigation bar. Let's move on to the next slide. Now, see the picture that is shown over here. Start button is the left portion of the taskbar, and on the right side of the taskbar you have a notification bar where you have different type of icons. This icon is your network connectivity, means if you have internet on your desktop or laptop, this particular area will show you if you have internet connectivity or not. On right side of this notification bar, you have system date along with system time. Now in this taskbar, you have few icons, more icons available, which this area where you have quick launch icons is called application button. Now this is the screen which you have seen in the previous slide. This one I am showing you on the full screen view so that you can understand in a proper manner. This whole screen is called a desktop screen where you have different type of icons. You see, computer icon, network icon. This one is recycle bin. It is hidden due to this start menu. So this icon is known as recycle bin, where your deleted files are stored. On the bottom left portion, we have computer Windows 7 start button. This is the application launch area, or we have seen it says application button. This is Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer. This one is Media Center. This is Windows Media Player. So this area is called application button. Now on right side of the taskbar, as you know, this bottom part is whole bottom part of this bar is called taskbar. On the right side of the taskbar, this area is the notification area. If your system is getting any error, or if your network is connected, you will get a pop-up screen which will give you some, which will throw some messages over here that what is happening. This particular icon is for network connectivity. If you have internet on your desktop, this will show with a wire which is connected, and this will blink in Windows 7. This one is speaker. If you have a speaker in your desktop, this will show that volume is working properly. You can hear song, you can record your voice, and this particular area you can adjust the volume. Then, as I said, this area is for system date, which is showing at the bottom part, and this one is system time. So students, if most of the students might have computer, desktop or laptop at home, but few students might not have desktop or laptop, but it doesn't matter. You can still have the feel of Windows 7 operating system. Well, I would suggest you to go to this link that I'm going to provide you. The name of this website is Chasm, CHESMS, chasm.com. It is a simulator which you can open through Google Chrome, and still you can have a feel of Windows 7 operating system. On the screen, if you check this black bar, you have different type of operating system where it is a simulator. It will give you a view how different type of operating system looks like. So when you click on Windows 7, at the bottom portion you'll find Windows 7. Click on it. You see, it shows you the screen in a similar manner that I showed you over here. So go ahead, click on this particular button, which is your start button, and it will show you the pop-up screen. What are the menus that it have? Different type of icons are there. You can have a feel of it. You can go back to the previous page. Then again you can click on Windows 7. You can click on this area. This one is for network connectivity. As this is the screen of a laptop, that is why you are seeing this type of screen. If it was a desktop, then the same screen might look like this. See the icon that you are seeing here and the icon that you are seeing on Chaz laptop is different, but this bar shows the signal of your internet connectivity. So you can click on these action buttons and you can have a view, different type of view. And working right now. Let me refresh the page once. Okay, pop-up window came. Okay, page is not available. So it is not giving you that much information. Still you can see this particular page when you go to this website chaz.com. Okay students, so I'm going to wrap up today's session. आप ये जो 4 पेजेस मैंने आपको बताए हैं, sorry, please go ahead and read the definition, the parts of desktop, then taskbar, different type of icons that I discuss over here. उसके बाद फाइनली मैंने आपको नोटिफिकेशन एरिया और नोटिफिकेशन बार के बारे में बताया. So please go through it once, and based on these slides that I'm showed here, I will give you some questions. You have to read and then remember and write down in your copy. Okay students, so see you tomorrow then. Goodbye.